Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden secrets within corporate filings. So buckle up because Spectral Capital Corporation has just dropped a report that might just be electrifying. Today we read diving into an 8K filing from Spectral Capital Corporation, and this one is all about a significant new deal and a stock sale. Think of an 8K as a company breaking news announcement to the public, and this news from Spectral on the 15th of October 2025 is definitely something to pay attention to. So Spectral Capital Corporation, they're in the business of, well, capital, and it seems they've been very busy acquiring some cutting-edge technology. The big news here is that Spectral has bought a whole bunch of intellectual property. They acquired ownership of 21 patentable innovations. Now, what are these innovations about? They're related to native artificial intelligence or AI operating systems, specifically ones that work within a Linux setup. Think of it like buying the blueprints and the secret sauce for building smarter computers right from the ground up. They also scooped up technology for improving field programmable gate arrays, which are basically super flexible computer chips that can be programmed for different tasks. Plus, they've got their hands on tech for security and something called multi-application remote synchronization. Essentially, Spectral is bulking up its AI and advanced computing portfolio. They paid for this acquisition by giving out 9 million shares of their common stock. That is a significant chunk of the company being exchanged for this new tech. But that is not all. On top of buying this AI tech, Spectral also did a private sale of its stock, raising more money. They sold up to 1 million shares at $1.3 per share, potentially bringing in about $1.3 million. This money is earmarked for general corporate activities, basically to keep the lights on and fund their ongoing operations. This type of sale is done privately, meaning it is not offered to the general public on the stock market, but to specific accredited investors. Now, as with most filings like this, there is a standard disclaimer about forward-looking statements. This just means that when they talk about their hopes and plans for the future, like their growth strategies or what they expect from their new AI tech, these are just expectations. The actual results could be very different. It is a way for the company to protect itself legally, reminding everyone that the future is uncertain. This filing lists several exhibits, and the most important one is the asset purchase agreement itself. This is the legal document that details the acquisition of the AI innovations. There is also a subscription agreement related to the private stock sale. This is the paperwork that outlines the terms of that stock offering. And importantly, there is a board resolution approving both the asset purchase and the private stock placement. This shows that the company's leadership officially signed off on these big moves. Finally, the report is signed by Jennifer Osterwalder, the Chief Executive Officer and President of Spectral Capital Corporation. This confirms the official filing of this report. So, what does this all mean? Spectral Capital Corporation is making a bold move into the artificial intelligence space. They're not just dabbling, they're reacquiring core technologies that could underpin an entirely new AI operating system. This signals a significant pivot, or at least a massive investment in future growth. The acquisition of these 21 patentable innovations, especially in native AI operating systems and FPGA optimization, positions them to potentially develop proprietary technology that could be very valuable. The dual action of acquiring technology and simultaneously raising capital through a private placement shows a company executing a strategic plan. They are expanding their assets and securing funds to develop them. The fact that they're reissuing 9 million shares for the assets means the sellers believe this technology is worth a substantial portion of the company. One thing to watch is how effectively Spectral integrates and develops this new AI technology. Acquiring patents is just the first step. Turning them into marketable products and services is the real challenge. The success of this venture will depend heavily on their technical team's ability to innovate and their management's strategic execution. Given the private placement at $1.3 per share, it provides a current valuation point for the stock, though the market's perception of the new AI assets will likely influence the stock price significantly going forward. The company's strategy appears to be focused on building a strong foundation in AI, which is a smart move given the massive investments and growth in that sector. However, it also introduces significant technical and market execution risks. This filing shows Spectral Capital Corporation is making a serious play in the AI arena. They've acquired key intellectual property and raised funds to support their ambitions. The question now is whether they can translate these acquisitions into market success. What is your take on Spectral's big AI bet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.